Hey, it's bloody freezing here in Australia at the moment. Not joking, got the beanie on. So with all this cold air around, got me thinking, I haven't done a cold air intake. But there's a pipe running from there to there, and my suspicion is that that's gassy air that's fed back into the engine. This is a temperature sensor to give the ECU some kind of an idea of the temperature that the air actually gone through the filter is. So if you're on a hot day, it might moderate it. On a cold day, it can obviously add the fuel air mixture and change that somewhat. So there's some sensible little part there that we really probably do need to retain. We were just going to unclip the air box. There's 4 clips I've found, and we'll just make sure this is kind of loose. Oh, caught it on camera. The shit that happens. I guess that was an old brittle piece of bloody pipe. What does this little machine do? It's got a hard section there and open. Fuck! It's okay, we got this. Deep breath, relax. See that? Mind control. Oh, we're just breaking everything today. We just broke that as well. We're just breaking shit. The fuck, man. You fucking peanut. That's really brittle. Bye. Bye. See ya. Probably smell that later. I think we'll go for a straight swap with this. Hose. Pull apart time. Let's go. Hopefully. Come on. Arr, arr, arr. Look at that. There's your intake. Throttle body. Rum, rum. We've got to make sure we re-engage this fella for the sensor. Let's see if this stuff fits on there. This on there. So these step drills are a pretty handy little tool. I'm just going to push that into the original hole and go, oh look, let's go to ring number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Should be just about the right size to drop the original grommet in on our cold pipe. Let's give that a go. Shabam, hey? See if we get the right angles. What an awesome pair of scissors. Keep this little extra bit. Don't know why, but I'm just that type of guy. I keep shit. Because it comes in handy later. Always does, you know. I don't care. The wife is staying. You're a womble. What are you going to say about stuff in the garage? You need to have a clear out. Hey, you know there's a veg clearance next week? You should throw some of that stuff out. I can't store anything in the garage. Why'd you buy a new car? You haven't got room for the stuff you've got already. But, every now and then, so she'll go, oh, this is boat. Oh, that's how I keep your dryer running for 25 years, love. With that shit that I collect. And other stuff. That's it. Get more action with the... I know. This is lazy. Just get me going. We'll go around and tighten it all up shortly. There's a kicker in the guts and have a listen, eh? See what it does. Got the keys somewhere. That's just on idle. Oh. Yeah! Haha! That's it. That's bloody it. How is it? Back with that bloody. I'm happy though. Woo! Wait till the turbo goes in there. So, get another one. But for now, I'm happy. That's all right. It's hard to tell if it's made a big difference from in terms of horsepower. You're not really. I don't know. Do you notice those things? Still got that nice brap when it takes off. That's a cool piece of kit. It's easy to put on. It's probably one of the quicker turnaround jobs, and it was cheap as chips. So the minute I recommend it, obviously if you follow the channel and check out our videos, I'll get back to you and how it's traveling. You know, is it sucking water through? Is it hydrolock my engine? And you know, did I melt it? that little breather thing not stand up to? And it pop off? Should I put the clamp on? We'll see. We'll see how the car runs. It seemed to be running fine. It's idling the same. It warmed itself up. Everything else seems rigid-dig. So happy days.